Can ostriches kill humans? Struthio camelus. It can grow up to 270 centimeters tall and weigh up to 90 kilograms. Have you heard about the world's most dangerous bird? Today, we'll introduce you to the world's largest and most dangerous bird, the African ostrich. These giant birds, although flightless, can run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour and use their powerful legs to defeat even predators like lions. Can ostriches kill humans? Yes, it's true. In South Africa, 2 to 3 people die each year due to ostrich attacks. Their strong legs and sharp claws can deliver fatal blows, even to lions. Ostrich meat consumption. Ostrich meat is becoming popular worldwide among health-conscious individuals. It's low in fat, high in protein, and rich in iron. Germany, France, the USA, Netherlands, and Belgium are among the top importers of ostrich meat. Ostrich eggs. Ostrich eggs are the largest in the world, weighing between 1.3 to 2.3 kilograms. An omelet made from such an egg can feed an entire family. Ostrich family life. Ostriches live in small groups, one male and several females. The male ostrich takes care of the chicks. The incubation period is 11 months, and the mother ostrich feeds the chick for 4 months. How dangerous can ostriches be? Ostriches are generally peaceful animals, but when they feel threatened or cornered, they can be very dangerous. They can deliver powerful kicks with their strong legs. Ostriches are fascinating and powerful birds. Their lives, behaviors, and interactions with humans are very interesting.